WOWGO ride, street wheels. I'm in uncharted territory, like a construction zone. But it's Sunday, so no one's here. That used to be a farm, and they just kept the barn right there. So I'm getting on my ride now. Big ass manhole cover sticking out. Like all the curbs and shit are like super high. Same with this road. It's getting massive. You can see it probably. I gotta get off. I'm not fucking going up that. Fuck that. Park. Ugh. There's my board fucking trying to fucking get up this. Barely. Shit's like an inch, 2 inches. Fuck that. But this shit's pristine. This shit's brand new. Nicely paved asphalt. I do gotta watch out. There's one side there they didn't fucking do. Up here. Construction vehicles. Empty field. There's the barn. They kept the barn. It was the only thing they kept. They built the parking lot. Oh shit. There's the unfinished shit that I almost fucking went into. This was like a fucking 2-inch drop off. It looks like it might not be done down here. I don't know. Slowing down. Yeah, drop off. Ugh. That's all like a ton of water. Haven't been made that. Fuck this. Oh shit. Bunch of fucking bullshit. Son of a bitch. Alright, looks like I can get down there a little bit, but I think I'll probably just turn around. Alright. Oh shit. Supreme shoes. Shit ton of gravel in this bitch. I hate it. Construction shit. Not all paved. And I took off my cloud wheels, so I'm like, fuck. It rained like an inch yesterday, so I couldn't ride at all. Pissed me off. Alright, here's this shit's not so bad. Cool. Back on the smooth. Cool. Now I can go fast. Colorado's beautiful. No outlet. Okay. Big ass drop off, but I can go down it. Oh shit. That's fucking thing. I feel like I can always go down giant drop offs, but definitely not up them. Down, it's a different story. If you start going up and trying to hit a fucking giant bump, you're flying the fuck off. Hell nah, don't do that. Maybe if you got all-terrain wheels or some shit, but I went back to street. Shit, gravel? Look. No teeth. Man-ass cover, manhole, motherfucker. Hate you. Fucking bury those things. And take off those little fucking bumps that are on them and make them even worse. Alright, I'm gonna start riding back, but I'm gonna cut through the sidewalk. Show you guys the sidewalk experience. It's not very nice. Fuck. Damn, I hella forgot about that shit. Nearly fucking ate it. Fuck. Damn. Fuck you. Jesus Christ. That shit was a motherfucker. That nearly sent me flying. Luckily I slowed down for that shit. Luckily I was like, knew that shit was fucked. Alright, little fucking corner gotta take. Arg! Oh shit. Oh, barely went off. Almost went off. Cutting through. Over here. Alright, thank God that one isn't like that. That curb line isn't bullshit like the other one. Alright, I'm right out of this construction zone and call this video an end. My phone just told me I'm at 10%, so. Oh shit, big bump. Ugh. Hate you. There's my specs on my board. I don't know if you'll see it. I try to use my shadow so you can look at it. Giant ass bump. Oh fuck. Shit ton of gravel. Fuck this. Hate it. Motherfucker. Look at that bump. Hell no. Damn, there's my shoe. It doesn't even go up to it. Of course, I got flat tops though, so. Alright, WOWGO street ride, construction zone, street wheels. Stay safe.